I want to share you top 5 Amazon products which can be used in your daily activities. Make sure watch the video till the end and don't skip. All product links will be found in description and comments. You can buy from there. Dive into the convenience and peace of mind offered by the automatic fish feeder dispenser, a must-have accessory for any aquarium enthusiast. Whether you're planning a vacation getaway or simply need a reliable solution for busy days, this device ensures your aquatic friends are well fed and cared for at all times. With its adjustable timer and easy-to-program settings, setting up the feeder dispenser is a breeze, allowing you to customize feeding schedules to suit your fish's needs. This is a game-changer product for your fishes. No more worrying about overfeeding or missed meals. The automatic fish feeder dispenser takes care of it all, ensuring a healthy and thriving aquatic environment. Plus, its versatility extends beyond fish tanks, making it suitable for turtle tanks and other aquatic habitats. Say goodbye to feeding worries and hello to hassle-free aquarium care with the automatic fish feeder dispenser. Link in description and comments. Buy now. Are you ready to take your outdoor cooking game to the next level? Well, get ready to meet your new best friend, the Wadio 3900W Windproof Camping Gas Stove. This is not just any ordinary camping stove. With its powerful 3900W output and windproof design, the Wadio stove is a game changer for all your outdoor cooking adventures. Say goodbye to fumbling with matches or lighters in the wind. The Wadio stove features a convenient piezo ignition system, making it quick and easy to light the flame and get cooking in no time. Made of high-quality aluminum alloy, copper and plastic, this portable camp stove has a stronger metal texture. But what really sets the Wadio stove apart is its versatility. With the included butane adapter and 1LB propane tank adapter, you can use a variety of fuel sources, including butane camping, fuel gas canisters, and small propane tanks. And let's not forget about portability. The Wadio stove folds up neatly into its carry case, making it easy to pack up and take with you on all your camping and hiking adventures. It's resistant to oxidation and can withstand even the hottest temperatures, ensuring reliable performance wherever your adventures take you. So whether you're camping in the mountains, hiking through the wilderness, or enjoying a picnic in the park, the Wadio 3900W Windproof Camping Gas Stove is your ticket to delicious outdoor meals and unforgettable adventures. And with a 1-year warranty, you can have peace of mind knowing that your stove is backed by excellent customer service. Link in description and comments. Buy now. Get ready to infuse your bedroom with enchantment and creativity with the DIY updated Cloud 20 Tulip lamp with mirror. In this exciting DIY project, we'll transform a classic lamp into a stunning flower night light LED lamp that's perfect for bedroom decor, teen girls' rooms, or as a creative gift for friends and special occasions like birthdays, anniversaries, or Mother's Day. With just a few simple materials, including LED lights, mirrors, and artificial flowers, you'll embark on a journey of imagination and craftsmanship. This is my favorite product in all. Follow along as we guide you step by step through the process, from assembling the lamp to arranging the flowers and mirrors to create a whimsical display that radiates warmth and charm. Join us as we bring magic to your space with this DIY flower night light LED lamp, a personalized touch that's sure to brighten any room and bring joy to your heart. Link in description and comments. Buy now. Introducing Twizz, the ultimate solution for beverage enthusiasts on the go. With a versatile lineup including Twizz water mugs, travel mugs, twistables, foldable silicone lid cups, crunch Twizz cups, and outdoor mugs with straws, Twizz offers innovative designs to suit every lifestyle. Whether you're commuting to work, embarking on outdoor adventures, or simply enjoying a picnic in the park, Twizz has you covered with durable, leak-proof mugs and cups that keep your drinks hot or cold while minimizing spills. The Twizz travel mug, with its twistable, foldable silicone lid, ensures hassle-free transportation, while the twistables and crunch cups provide convenience and portability with their collapsible design. For outdoor enthusiasts, the Twizz outdoor mug with straw offers durability and functionality for staying hydrated on the trails or at the beach. Don't settle for flimsy mugs that can't keep up. Upgrade to Twizz and enjoy the ultimate hydration experience wherever life takes you. Link in description and comments. Buy now. Step into the future of gaming with the GoDice Full Pack, a groundbreaking set of 6 smart connected dice that revolutionizes traditional gameplay. These sleek and modern dice bring the best dice games of all time into the 21st century, offering a blend of educational, fun, and innovative gameplay for family and friends. With smart sensors embedded in each die, they connect seamlessly to the free GoDice app, transforming your rolls into exciting digital experiences in real time. Whether you're playing classic dice games like Yahtzee or exploring educational games that enhance math and critical thinking skills, the GoDice app offers a diverse range of gameplay options for all ages and preferences. From multiplayer modes to customizable settings, the possibilities are endless, ensuring that every game night is filled with laughter and excitement. With its cool tech features and sleek design, the GoDice Full Pack isn't just a game. It's an experience that brings people together and creates unforgettable memories. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or just looking for a unique gift, the GoDice Full Pack is sure to impress and delight. Link in description and comments. Buy now. If you want to see more such videos, then subscribe to our channel and click on the video that is showing on your screen. Stay safe.